My name is John Fitzgerald and I run sustainable coastal food tours from our base here in Derrynane on the Skellig coast of the Wild Atlantic Way in South Kerry, Ireland. We take people down to the shore and we learn how to find, identify and sustainably harvest a range of seaweeds fresh from the rocks. We discover their uses in medicine, skincare, foodstuffs, fertilizer, going back thousands and thousands of years. And you get to taste the range of flavours, textures and mouthfeels that are in these amazing plants that help sustain Ireland's original settlers 10,500 years ago, after the last ice age, right up to today. Our tours help make travel matter because we introduce people to how important our coastal ecosystem is and how protecting that ecosystem is vital for our future. Seaweeds are algae, they form the first step in the food chain for all species of fish and shellfish around our shores. Over 50% of our oxygen comes from the algae. They're taking in carbon and releasing oxygen all the time. So we need to protect it. It's like the Amazon rainforest, only way, way bigger. By you folks coming to visit us here in South Kerry, it allows our sustainable business to thrive. I love meeting new people and I love sharing the knowledge we've gathered about this incredible ocean we're lucky enough to live beside. And sharing that with other folks is a real passion of ours.